I run a very successful marketing agency, and here are my top 8 AI tools we use in our agency, part one. So today I'm going to show you Replit. Replit is a absolute phenomenal tool to be able to mock up and actually build any website front to back. So you can basically tell this thing exactly what you want, how you want it to look, and all you have to do is click on Start Designing. This thing's going to design, it's going to build the layouts for you, and you can even host and build the website. This tool also is actually creating all of the code. This can be shared with a web developer. It can be taken outside of Replit, or you can actually build it front to back in Replit, host it, and publish it, which we're going to show you in a second. Okay, that was it. In a matter of just a couple minutes, we were able to have it build a fully functional solar design. This is a design on par with any Figma designer you could possibly hire. This is probably our favorite tool, one of my personal favorite tools right now for doing any kind of mock-up, any kind of design, any kind of iteration. If it's related to website design, start with Replit.